Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's certainly been a while. I've moved into temporary accommodation. A good friend of mine offered me his flat for a while and that helped me out no end. So I sold, I moved, and I finally moved again, found myself a place to live, and yeah, it's been a long while. So this weekend I'm going to go and do a bit of exploring. I've seen a couple of things in Wales that I want to go and visit. Well, there's a park up that looks very nice with a lot of dog walking, so Ronnie will be pleased, bless her. And also a waterfall with cave, which looks really interesting. Apparently they filmed the entrance to the Bat Cave in the Batman film Dark Knight, I think it was. Now the weather's been really dry, so I doubt the waterfall is going to be that spectacular, and you can actually walk behind it. It'll probably just be a trickle, but who cares? It's a chilling weekend and I'm on my way at the moment. Right, I'm going to get on my way, but I thought I'd just do a bit of an intro because it's got to be at least 12 months since my last video, and I'm quite excited. I'm not sure whether Ronnie is, but she will be when she gets there. So without further ado, I'm going to get on my way and I'll catch you later when I get to the park. Okay, see you later, bye. Wow, what a park up. Just arrived. It actually looks gorgeous. I think I shall definitely be stopping here tonight. It's absolutely stunning. All the bluebells are up through the ferns. It really is beautiful. Just going to check round the corner because I know somebody's dying to be off the lead, but I'm not sure what the two cars up there are. They may well be other dogs, so I have to be a little bit careful. I mean, it's just gorgeous. It really is. Doesn't look like there's anybody. They're probably fishermen. So Ronnie, I think, can't believe they've even mowed the lawns, well, the pathways. Look at the geese there. And just look at this place. It's all for shame because the weather doesn't talk of being particularly fantastic this weekend. But hey ho, it'll be a break. Molly dog doing some investigating. I don't think she'll be brave enough to go in there. Will it, girl? There you go. What a gorgeous place. They even supply picnic tables. It just is so lovely. This will be interesting. I just hope she doesn't spot those geese because she's going to run after them and spook them. I think they're off anyway. I still can't get over this place. And it's not been spoilt either. It's so well looked after. I know somebody that is going to be absolutely worn out by the time we get back to the van. Ah, A cuckoo. Good morning, guys. First things first, a brew, and then we'll go and take Ronnie dog and see what this new park up's like. It looked stunning yesterday, but I need a brew. Right, let's go and have a look at what this place is like today. Put your lead on. Oh wow, look at that for a view. And it was quiet last night, not a noise, nothing. All I could hear was the birds singing towards the sun going down, and yeah, perfect. Right, off for a walk. Right, here we go. I've moved from the park up and we are off to the Black Mountains, because I'm pretty sure we might get a sight of the Welsh Mountain Ponies up there. So fingers crossed we get to see some, which would be really nice. It's a mission today to get a Welsh Mountain Pony on camera in memory of my granddad. So catch you in a bit. Keep your eyes out, Ronnie, we need to see these little ponies. It's not looking very ponyish at the moment. and see if we can, I don't know, see a few ponies. Catch you in a bit. Look at that. Wild foxgloves. I've seen those for years. I've seen them in the gardens, but wild ones. It's not actually feeling like that rain's going to hold off. I can't see us going that far, to be fair. I'm not going to get caught in the rain, and it's all just fern. There's plenty of pony poo about, just no ponies. Hey Ronnie, we'll go a bit farther. There's more foxgloves. I mean, the view from just down here is absolutely amazing. But I reckon it takes approximately 2 hours to get to the top. And had I realised that, I probably would have come here earlier. Anyway, it gives Ronnie a run out. Let's go on a little bit farther, see if we can see anything. No baby lambs. No. Yes, Ronnie, you can look, but you don't touch. Well, I don't think in a million years I'm going to get up there today, because as you can see, it's a bit grey. It's spotting with rain, and I think that's one that won't get done. I didn't actually come up to see that. I came to see if I could find any ponies, but nothing. Just go up round the corner there and then head back, I think, because it's a fair old way up this little bit. Right, come on Ronnie, we'll go up the top here and see what we can see. No mind, look, there'll be ponies halfway up that mountain. Well, there it is, and there's no way in a million years. I did have thoughts about going up there today. It looked quite interesting, and I think it's one of the highest mountains on the Beacons. Little fun fact there for you, but that would take me 24 hours, never mind 2 hours. I mean, it was a fair old climb this high, so I think we'll head back to the van. I hope that cloud is going over, and go and decide where we're going to park up. Might go back to last night's park up, not sure yet. Well, it's a lot easier coming back, and I shan't be sorry to get back to Vincent and sit down, because I know I'm unfair, but it did make me blow. There's Vincent, nearly there, Ronnie. Quite a busy little place. See, I'm not telling a lie. Horse poo, but, or pony poo, no ponies. Which is quite disappointing, because I've tried, really, because my granddad always brought me up to Brecon Beacons to watch those stallions round up their mares at dusk. It was a bit of a sentimental thing, really. I just wanted to come and see the wild ponies again, I guess. But I think I've probably had enough pony hunting for today, after all. There you go. We might stand a chance on the way home. Let's see. Right, better get My words won't come out today. I'd best get my lights turned off. And a little bit worried about the drive back down, because although you're not going to struggle because it's all downhill, I think my brake pads are a bit iffy at the moment, so I might be using the gearbox. Hey ho. Right, Ronnie, let's get back in that car, it's getting cold. I found some. So I think just through the gap up there, you can see the waterfall. It is an awful lot busier than I imagined it would be. But it is gorgeous. I mean, it really is. And at least there is a little bit of water coming down, so we'll carry on up and see if we can't get into this back cave. It's quite exciting. I wanted to come, very selfishly. I wished it wasn't so busy. But does it matter? Everybody's probably just as excited about coming here as I am, so a bit selfish to want it people free. Right, carry on up. Well, obviously nowhere near as fierce as it would be if we'd had some rain, but a lot of people about, but I'm glad we came down. A little bit wet underfoot. I would advise not to wear socks in this mud. It's gorgeous. And apparently one of the highest. And right here now we are actually in the entrance to what was filmed in the dark night, and it's the back cave entrance. Didn't look like this on the film, did it? Not quite sure about going down that way. With the footwear, where? I will try when I get back to Google and see, but I'm pretty convinced that this waterfall is one of the three, the main one being the first one. Certainly a pretty little place, albeit it's going to be one hell of a climb back up again. I mean, it really is steep, but worth coming down to look at. And luckily we've got the weather. Yep, it's a fair old way back up again, easy to come down, but certainly worth the walk in the end. I don't know whether I should be saying that later, but The views were stunning. Wow, what a day. I'm absolutely shattered. Ronnie's fast asleep. Was it worth it? 3.5 miles, I think it was. Absolutely. Would I do it again? Yep. In an instant, although I would like a little bit more water, a little bit more of the river flowing, because I think it would be absolutely spectacular. I mean, all day, I'm really sorry, but I probably used words like gorgeous, beautiful, stunning. I couldn't find a word that actually described that place. It was beautiful. Now, this was going to be one video. I'm going to end it here because I've just been speaking to some guys down at the park up, and they said about a mile away up the road there is a waterfall trail. I'm very tempted now to do that tomorrow. Go and have a look, because there is some amazing scenery around here, and I think the ponies and the bat cave are probably enough for one video. So tomorrow I'm going to get a good night's sleep tonight, hopefully, and tomorrow off to see the, I can't think what they called it. It was a waterfall trail. So when we go, I will put at the top of the screen exactly what it was called. But I think it's not quite as far as the walk today, but I think it's a fair bit of trekking again. So rather than cut it all really short and not let you see the scenery, I've decided to finish this video here, and we'll have a part 2. So look out for that. In the meantime, guys, thanks for watching. Please, please, I say it at the end of every video, likes, subscribes. I really need some more. My fault, I know. I've just not done enough videos. Hopefully now I'm settled and I'm moved, all that will change. But tomorrow is another day, and now I really do need to get my head down. I'm shattered. So thanks for watching, guys. See you later. Bye.